So now let's see how we can work around with the bilateral blur effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here under the effects tab, and once I do that, I'm going to go around over here under the blur of effect right here. And once I do that, you can see that bilateral blur is in effect right here. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag this out right here and keep it in the clip it in the clip right here, just like this. Once I do that, I can go around and select out a preset right here, like extreme, as you can see right here. Like I can choose heavy and so forth. And you can see that this is the bilateral blur right here, and you can click and drag it out to change around how this looks. You can see that it removes out the details and only keeps the outline right here, and that is what the bilateral blur actually does. It removes out the details right here. You can go around and change around the radius right here to choose around the level. You can make it subtle, or you can really make it extreme, as you can see right here, and that is what you have. You can also go around and work around with the threshold, just like this, as you can see. You can go around and see that there's the dimension over here as well. So if I were to go around onto horizontal, then you can see that the bilateral blur is horizontal right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here onto vertical, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with the bilateral blur effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe